Most of us have many problems studying our competitors. We try to watch their videos, find their hooks, and find why they go viral. But there's another easy way to do that.
The old way to do that is to open your competitor's channel, click on the video you like to analyze and watch it completely, or maybe click on transcript here and try to read the transcript or analyze it using AI. But doing it manually, takes lots of time, and there should be a better way.
Thanks to AI and automation, you can study your competitors very easily. You can find their transcript, find their ideas, and try to beat them with other viral video ideas. We will use Gemini, Make.com, and some automation using some APIs in this video to study one of my competitors and find ideas to beat him.
This is the automation we're going to make in this video. It has 7 modules, as you can see. It connects to YouTube. It tries to extract the transcript and then analyze it using Google Gemini AI, and then export it to Google Docs and send us an email. As you can see, we receive an email called the spy reports with full details of the video and some ideas. And we also have it in a Google Docs to show us the details. The first step is to get the channel ID of our competitor. We open it, we view page source, search for channel ID with using Control F. As you can see, you have to be careful with typing the channel ID. I try to correct it here, and yeah, here it is, the channel ID. Most of the time, it starts with UC. You have to copy it and have it somewhere. We need it for our first module. The first module is the YouTube API that we have in Make.com in default. And you put the ID up here and set the limit to 1. And yeah, this is it, nothing more. Next step is to find an API to get the transcript of the video. I'm going to use a very famous API from Rapid API. This is the link, and you just have to copy the URL to put it in the module of HTTP requests. Copy it from here and go to the HTTP request module, put the URL there, the method get, and you have to put the host and the key, and you can copy them here from the Rapid API website. Just copy them and paste them in the module that we created in make.com. We copy them and go back here to the header parts, and for the query, just put the name, the video ID, and the value. We get it from the video ID of our last module. Just don't forget to parse response to yes.
Wait here. When you want to give the data that you got from API, the transcript, to Gemini, you can just put it there. You need some aggregators and iterator in Make.com scenario to make it readable for Gemini.
This is the pro tip we need. First, we add an iterator module, and we get the array from our HTTP request module, the transcript. We save it, add another module named text aggregator. Just open it. The source module should be the iterator, and open the advanced setting. Only here in the raw separator, choose other and just type space. So it puts all of the scenario in one text. And for the text source, we use the text from our iterator. Save it here. Next module is our brain, Google Gemini. We have connected our API to make.com, and then choose Gemini 2.5 Flash for the message type of the user. Only type transcript, two dots, and get the text from last module. And for the system instruction, this is the most important part. I will put the prompt in a file in the description. You tell Gemini to analyze the script completely, and the output should be clear HTML tags. So our our email output and the reports in Google Docs will be clear. It will analyze the transcript and give us the gap, the fluff, and the hooks of the video. So for exporting, we use Google Docs. We have to connect our Google accounts to Google Docs, and then for naming the file, we use the title from our first module. For the content, we only put the result of our Gemini module. Just choose the folder and the file you want to create in your drive and save it. For the Gmail output, we open it. First, we connect our account to make.com. Then we type our recipient address. For the subject, we use the spy report and choose the title from the first YouTube module. For the text of the email, you can have some creativity. For example, put the link and the video ID up there in the beginning of the text, and then use some HTML tags like B for bolding it, and put the results of Gemini that we got at the end of the message. It will show us the whole analysis that we got from Gemini to our email, and we will receive a clear email for the report, and save it here. So let's test it live. We choose manually where to start. We are going to choose one of the latest videos of our competitor. As you can see, it shows all of the videos. We choose the first one and save it. Let's run it and see how it goes. Now the HTTP request is extracting the transcript. Now the text is ready for Gemini. Gemini analyzed it, and we have our file and email ready. Let's check the email. As you can see, the subject has the name of the video, and we have all of the parts, the cap, the counter hook, and this is the link of the video down below. For the Google Docs, we see the name is the name of the video, the fluff, the gap, the weaknesses of the video, and the counter hook we can use for creating our video. Something important here, you should click on the clock icon in make.com, and you can put it in every day and in the morning, so it will check it every day.
So this is it. In this video, we learned how to use make.com, Gemini, Rapid API, APIs, and YouTube API to watch our competitors daily and see what they're uploaded, understand their transcript, analyze it, find its weakness, and find some viral ideas for our next video that we are going to use to compete with them. If you liked it, please like the video, and please write some comments, your ideas, your feedback about my videos, and any ideas you want me to cover in the next videos. If you want to know more about how to use AI in your marketing, competitor analysis, or other use cases of automation and AI, please watch the playlist of AI for marketing in my channel. Thank you again for watching. See you soon.